Hello ladies, I'm going to show you how to highlight and contour and why we do it. I often have a lot of requests. I know I've done videos of this. There's many different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you how I do it because I've had several requests lately to see how I do this. So I am first going to start with my liquid foundation brush, and I am going to start with my liquid foundation. You always want to shake it before using it, and then I just squeeze out a whole drop of this in my brush. This is the color Organza, and I'm just going to kind of dip it all over my face and start rubbing it in. And what I love about our foundation, it dries like a powder. Get it all over my face. Okay, now what I like to do before I go on and I start contouring and highlighting, I like to go ahead and get my brush, okay, my blusher brush, and I just kind of just brush through it to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and I have it's all blended and I have a nice smooth surface to work with. Okay, I love it. Look at our liquid foundation. It dries like a powder. It's amazing. Has great cover, and I don't know, favorite product. I was telling someone last night I have like 5 bottles on backup because I am never going to run out of this again. Okay, so then I am going to take my concealer, and I'm going to take it in the color Scarlet, and I am going to take it, this is a shade lighter than my Organza. I'm going to put a swipe under my eyes. And this is a little different than what I've shown you. It's a little bit easier to do it this way. It doesn't take very much. And go down my nose and on my jawline. Okay. Then I am going to take my foundation brush, my regular one, not my liquid one, and I am going to start kind of blending it in. Okay. And the key is to blend when you do this. So then I go back with my liquid foundation brush and I just start kind of rubbing it in and blending it. And I have seen lately on some where they go up over here. I probably should have done my eye makeup last. I do recommend doing it last, but I just did an eye video. But you go up and over and just look at how, kind of messed up my eye makeup, but how highlighted it is right here. Okay, and it just kind of brightens up your face and gives it like that nice lighted effect. Okay, after I go through and do this, I do use bronzer. I can't wait to get my highlighting kit. I did not receive mine yet. I'm hoping it's coming in the mail. So I would recommend using the highlighting kit if you have it. Then I'm going to take my bronzer. I'm going to go with the darker color right down here, and I'm going to make a 3 with it. On my skin. Okay, then I'm going to go up here. And this is, again, all the darker colors. So you want to just kind of make a 3. So basically what I'm doing with the darker color, I'm going here, here, and here is what I'm really doing with the darker color. So here, here, and here. I know I didn't apply it quite like that. I do it in phases. They always talk about either making a 3 with it or making 2 C's. And then I'm going to take my lighter color and my bronzer, just dab it under my eyes. Okay. And then I take my blush, as soon as I find it, which is a lighter color. Absolutely love this lighter color. If you are like in the organza, velour, scarlet, stunning is a great color for you. It is a nice bright pink. And remember when I posted that thing, you want to kind of make it to put two fingers up. You don't want to smile, okay? It's best to put your fingers here and just kind of, that is the line that your blush should be going on, is right here, okay? And just kind of making a straight line and blending it. But I'm telling you, ladies, if you've not tried this highlighting, it is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at it. You can tell that I've highlighted under my eyes. It's changed totally the like shape of my face, my pictures. I love this highlighting trick. If you've not tried it, I highly recommend doing it. You just need to get a liquid foundation and get a concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation.